here's what I used. I used Darling Passion Twist, color one. Then I divided my hair into two parts. The frontal part I divided horizontally. I cut it into 8 sides, and the one at the back I divided it vertically into 4. Then went ahead to weave it down, and it's now remaining the frontal side, Then I'm going to crochet the strands of the ants down. Yes, so I'm quickly just going to do that now. So here's what the Darling Passion Twist looks like. I'm going to bring out the strand, then try to make it equal, then cut it in the middle. Yes, I'm cutting my Passion Twist in the middle. Then it was very easy for me to detangle. One of the ones I cut, I tried to untwist it. For the ones at the back, I divided one of the half I made into 3, and it was still this full. Then we go ahead to start crocheting. I divided one of the halves into 3 because I didn't want the tips, the place I'm crocheting right now, to be too bulky or too heavy than I would have liked. I just crocheted the back where it's not weaved 4 times. Just in case I just wanted to pack it up and it's not just going to look weird, so it can just look full enough, and that's why I did that. You can decide not to, it's all a choice thing. So this is where one of the bundles of the pack got to, and this is what the coils are looking like. The coils are coiling, yes. So this coil was enough for me, so I'm going into the second bundle and cutting it. And guys, I just literally had to stretch, and the coils will separate enough for me to use and crochet. I later went ahead, the other ones I was doing it twice. I was just dividing one twist with twice basically. I just went ahead to crochet. For the ones in the middle, yes, the ones in the middle, just see how I do it. I just tie it in a way that it will be easy for me to lose, because all of you already know I don't like losing hair. I don't like losing hair, so I had in mind how easy it will be for me to lose when I was making it. So that's why only the tip was tied the way it was tied, and the middle was tied differently. Basically, to untwist the bundle or to divide the bundle, you just have to stretch and the twist will separate.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my.
So this is more detailed. Stretch the twist you want to use, the way it comes, then it kind of easily loses or separates itself. If it does not, just use your hand to push it a little. Then you know what, you go ahead with what you have. Benny, go to yellow. And I have to just mention, guys, this crocheting has to be one of the simplest styles that anybody can do, because the perfection is not in your braid, neither is it in the way you crochet. It's just that, just know the quantity or the style you want to do, especially this particular one. Just like this layer, this is the number of things I want to use, this is it. Simple. Like, this crocheting is very easy to make, easy to maintain. Oh my god, I've been on this hair for as I'm speaking right now, over a week now, and I'm like, oh my god, I literally don't have to do too much to use this hair to do the hair. So in case you're considering doing it, please go ahead. You're looking for a low maintenance hair, do it. So yeah,
silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
And here's the moment I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. You guys are the real MVPs. Mwah. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing. And I'm using this opportunity to tell all my new viewers, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to subscribe if you've learned a thing or two. Why are you not liking? Like the video, like it. And if you have any question about anything I used in the video, or I used in making the hair, Don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer your questions. Yes. It was at this point I just dipped into the 4th bundle of the second pack.
If I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's back in.
I used 2 packs of passion twist, darling passion twist for this video, and I didn't finish using the 2 packs. We have 30 inches, 15 in each bundle, and that makes it 30 in a pack. Do you understand? Like, there's 30 in a pack. If you actually just want to see me unpacking it and what it actually looks like, I'm going to link the video of it in, you see this card showing up, yes, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below in case you just want to see how it looks like, the unboxing, what it looks like, what the coils looks like. Yes, definitely, I'm going to link it in the description box below. And this is another opportunity. Don't forget to like. I mean, if you're already at the point of this video and you have not subscribed, just, come on, subscribe now.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me.
So guys, I want you to watch closely. For the closure, I dipped the pin into both ends. Can you guys see? I crocheted this air into 2 ends. I'm going to do it again. Just to close the ends, put the pin in both braids, see, and crochet the air and tie it there. That's just give it a closure. That's why I just did my own closure. I didn't do too much. I just did enough for it to be joined, to look seamless. You will say I come again with seamless, but yes, that's what I did. Join to a little bit and make that side a little bit full, to give it that closure, that desirable closure you want to have. Yes, that's what happened.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit.
So I just went ahead to trim it though, and before I trimmed it, I tried to pull, which is one of the essence of the water I sprayed earlier, to make the coils, easy to, coils should come out more, it should straighten, it should puff out more. I just use my hand to, I keep saying, I'm so sorry, but pull it out and try to see everything that is coiled in an equal length and trim it appropriately. That's basically what I did.
Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns.
And oh my god, how many of you remember these earrings? Oh my god, they're my current favorite earrings. Again, you can get yours from Doomsy Wears. And this is what my head turned out like. I actually like the fact I can style like this. I style like this, side pattern and center pattern, like a fringe, be versatile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Mwah, bye.